How to get more FPS in Roblox, best settings for FPS and no delay. If you want to increase the FPS rate on Roblox, then follow these steps. Firstly, open the Roblox application. To increase your FPS rate, the first thing that you can do is lower your graphics. To do that, select any game of your choice. After that, a menu like this will appear. Click on the play button at the bottom. After the game starts, you can tap on the three-line icon at the top left corner and select the option Graphics and lower your graphics. Another thing that you can do is refresh your background. Sometimes a lot of apps can clutter in the background, so open your background app and click on Close All to remove all of your tabs. Now open Settings on your device. After opening Settings, scroll down to the very bottom and select About Phone. After that, go to the search bar on the top. Now type in Developer Settings. Click on Developer Settings. Now here, make sure that all of these settings are just like as shown in the screen. You can even pause the video if you like. After setting these settings, you can get most out of your FPS on Roblox. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.